proceed, don't forget to subscribe and like. Also hit the bell button for more updates and notifications. So, let's begin. So here it is. These are the wrench. Now, as you can see, we have 6 sizes right here. So we have 4, 8, 10, 12, 15, and 18. Now, what is the wrench for? It is for the nut. Now, it depends on what size and how big is the nut for you to adjust it, to tighten or to loosen. So you turn the adjustment wheel based on what you need. And if it's too wide, you can close it. So again, it will depend. Now, this wrenches is made out of the drop forged steel. So you can see here, it's the drop forged steel. Then, you might be wondering, why is there like a 15 and 18 inch of wrench? Now you can see the wrench. How gigantic, humongous, big, and huge it is. So normally this is used for, can you guess it? It's the boat. Yep, you heard it right, the boats, the cruise. I've already asked also that one before because I asked how will this be used when we cannot even use it. So it's mostly used for industrial. So look at that. How big is it? Now moving on to the next. Oh, I almost forgot. Before we move on to the next, there's also a set available for us. So we have the size of the 4, 8, and 10. So this is usually used for DIY also at home, the sizes of this. So it is a very, very, very good package. Since we don't really use the bigger ones due to for the industrial work. So yeah, this is a good package. Now, moving on to the next. Let's go. So this is the other type of wrench. So what is this wrench? I mean, what's the difference between the wrench and this wrench? Crazy, right? But wait. This is a Grip Pro series, meaning it's patented only for Tolsen, and it's an industrial one. So it's one of the top grade metal. This is also a drop forged one. So we have these on sizes. It's the 6, 8, 12, and 10. And 12. Sorry, got confused there for a while. But hey, this is the difference as well. At the bottom we have the flower. So that's the difference, guys. And I hope you have learned something today because that's all I can do for you guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you look forward to our future videos as well. Please do drop a comment or go to our Facebook page. You can drop a message, comment, or just feel free to ask around. Thank you so much. See you later, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested with our products, you can visit our official website at www.tolsen.com.ph. We're also available on Lazada, Shopee, and GRABMART. Or you could drop by our stores. Links are provided on the description below. Again, don't forget to subscribe. This is Layatan signing off.